If you're a fan of Hocus Pocus and Department 56, this is a close-up look at Max's house, and then there is Max and Dani trick-or-treating and the Sanderson Sisters. So all of these came out this year. You also have available the Sanderson Sisters Cottage, which I made a separate video for. I will leave a link in the description to that video if you want to check that out. It's actually really cool as well. So first of all, the only moving parts on this, well, Max's little trick-or-treat bag here kind of swings, and then this tree. Now the tree, like some other Department 56 products, you have to shape the tree. So you can shape it to look any way that you want, which is easy and kind of fun to do. You can personalize it. The light control for Max's house is kind of cool because you can either have the light be fully bright, that's right now, or you can make it dimmer. So the more you press it, the more dim it becomes, depending on the setting that you like. I like to keep it up at full brightness most of the time. So here's a close-up look at Max and Dani, and you can see the detail is super cool. It's very sturdy too. It doesn't have any pieces they're going to easily break off. Actually, I'm sure if you drop this, you might lose a head or something, but it's pretty stable. And here is the Sanderson Sisters, a close-up look at that. And I'll show you all the way around. In fact, I should do that on this one as well. So you can see there's detail on all sides, which is amazing. And now the house itself. So here is the side of the house, and the decor goes all the way to the back. So you can see there's a back door right here, and the little front porch area, and then the other side of the house. I absolutely love all of these, and during Halloween we set up the Sanderson Sisters Cottage as well, and add this whole thing to part of our entire spooky village. If you like any of these products, I will leave links in the description so you can find the current price. But thank you for watching.